Hey everyone, so I brought out all of my winter skincare regime and it got hot again. It's in the 80s. I hate this. So you can see I'm sweating, my skin. I have a little bit of the summer left over that I was trying to use today, but that's why everything looks so wet and glossy and stuff. Anyway. I'm using my pencil, I believe this is copper from NYX Jumbo Pencil. Oh, it's gold. But their gold, their gold looks copper. Their original one does anyway. Of course, they brought a new one out. So today I'm using, oh, my hand's sensitive, these two colors right here. So I'm wearing the metallic color on the lid. I'm doing this video Monday. Our vacation staycation ended on Saturday. It was the last day. Yesterday I was so I used the metallic color on the eye, and then I'm gonna use this color as the contour right here. So I felt so run down yesterday. Even though I'm in like a wheelchair, like I said, I could walk around small places, but for some place that's big, I need those, what I call the little putt-putts, or I need to be in the wheelchair, and that is not comfortable in itself. Anyway, I think I'm gonna try this as the highlight color right here. That's too dark. I guess I'll try this color right here. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Let me do this just to lighten it. Okay, I also put a little bit of shimmer. There you go, to lighten that up. I know I forgot something. I forgot to do my brows. Oh, I'll make sure I do it before I finish my video. I think I'm gonna put one of these really dark colors down here in the crease, in the deep crease, to give it a little bit more definition. I have lots of pictures to show you guys. Oh yeah, okay, that's better. It's just to give it some definition. I ordered my dog's costumes from Amazon, and even though they're Chihuahuas, I used to have to buy Buddy extra small, and Juju, she got bigger, so I get her, like, she doesn't fit in a small, so I get her a medium, you know, make it a little bit bigger, and then I use small for Buddy, and man, those ran too small because they didn't fit on them. I was so upset. I think I'm gonna put this color in the inner corners. But since I ordered them so long ago, I ordered them like in August, that was that. You know, there was nothing I could do about it. You have 30 days. They were both of them were too small. The small didn't fit on Buddy, the medium didn't fit on Juju, and that's crazy. So, but I got pictures for you. I got pictures of Halloween, which I have to reiterate all the time. I don't celebrate, but I do like to dress up. And I got pictures of our staycation, so I got stuff to show you. All right, let me finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So I'm gonna use, my hand is still very sensitive. I'm gonna use the last lip gloss that I haven't used. And this is kind of like a peach. It's called No Foamo. I have an older Revlon lip liner, but it's a new cheer, so it's weird. You can't really tell. So that is that for that collection. I'll probably be going into other collections now. I'm not really into NYX anymore. NYX just started getting more and more expensive, and I just was like, I don't know, I just kind of lost interest in it. But yeah, so, but I do have, I've been dying to do the NYX neon colors, so I'm going to see if I do that next week or do my sugar pill. Speaking of sugar pill, she came out with